If your loved one is in a nursing home, one of the most important things that you can do might surprise you. Periodically take them out of the nursing home if it's safe for them to do so. My name is David Terry, and as a plaintiff's lawyer who's handled nursing home cases for nearly 25 years, here's one of the things that I've learned. Isolation is very difficult. I've seen case after case where residents just deteriorate rapidly when they're cut off from family and familiar environments. Most cases that I've handled involve residents who've had some level of depression. And when we place family members in nursing homes, it's not uncommon for depression to set in. As a result, they may stop eating or they may stop engaging. Whether they are cognitively intact or not, being cooped up in an unfamiliar place is difficult, and the nursing home staff can't replace the emotional connection that family and familiarity provides. If your loved one is medically stable, and only if it is safe for you to do so, consider taking them on some outings. Maybe take them to church and then home for Sunday dinner. Maybe take them to their grandson's birthday party. Take them to a movie if they can still do that. Or maybe you just go for a drive. I remember when my dad was in the throes of Alzheimer's, I would pick him up, take him to lunch, and then we would just drive around to places that were important areas in his life. We'd go by his old office and we'd go by our old house, things like that. And it was good for him to get out of that facility where he was at, and it was good for me to hang out with him too. So familiar faces, familiar places, and familiar routines, I believe, help keep their mind sharp and their spirit alive. I've seen residents who so looked forward to these outings, and it truly does give them a boost. Now, remember, this is crucial, and I've touched on this. Only do this if it's medically safe for your loved one. Check with their doctor first, but if they can safely leave, then don't let the nursing home discourage you, but do follow their rules.